This is a 2022 Glastron GTD 180. It is their deck boat version of their 18-foot boat. This is gray and white with a Mercury 115 4-stroke. On the outside, you do have a painted trailer with upgraded wheels. You have stainless steel throughout the boat, so grab handles and pull out cleats. All the bimini hardware, stainless steel as well. You do have a swing tongue up front to help with storage, as well as brakes on the trailer, surge brakes. A nice deck up front. More pop-up cleats. Does have a full cover as well. You do have a port side walkthrough to get on and off at the dock, as well as port side fuel fill. Let's jump up inside the boat and take a look at its offerings. Up inside the boat, you can see we have a very wide open bow with a walkthrough up front. Up top, we do have some sea decking for getting on and off the boat so you don't slip. You have a very long bench with a backrest that is removable. We do have on the port side a walkthrough to get on and off the dock with a fill-in pad that goes across. So if you need more seating, you can definitely do that. Across the back, we do have your U-shaped seating. You do have your captain's chair with flip-up bolster. On the dash, you do have toggle switches, your kicker stereo system, and all your gauges. And you do have stainless steel cup holders throughout. You do have center floor storage in this model and a cooler underneath the seat. It does have removable flooring, so if you need to clean it up, you can just pop it out, pop it back in. You do have your bimini top. That's over the top of the boat here. This does have the 115 Mercury 4-stroke. You do have a ladder on the back and a nice little walk around on your swim platform here. Again, this is the 2022 Glastron GTD 180. This is gray and white with a white and gray interior as well.